Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to count flamingo 1 to 10. Let's start. Counting flamingos. 1, 2. This is the number 2. Let's circle the number 2. 2 flamingos. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 4. Let's circle the number 4. 4 flamingos. 1. This is number 1. Let's circle the number 1. 1 flamingo. 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. Let's circle the number 3. 3 flamingos. Let's repeat again. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3. Well done kids, you're doing great. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.